Anong date? Anong date, bro?
September 7.
September
That will be
7.
on Saturday, next Saturday. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday.
Next
So
na.
mark your
Oh.
calendar.
Paano yan? Yung PBA, paano yan? Sasabayan din nila yung PBA.
Malamang
Saturday.
siguro. Saturday then, yeah. I think they have a
Eh,
schedule sa probinsya.
Ayun na nga. Nako, alam mo, ito
Every Saturday
nakakalungkot
there's
na
provision.
na ano ko tuloy minsan na naawa ako ng konti kasi pag mas napaprioritize yung UAAP sa mga big arena kaysa sa PBA. Napansin mo yun?
Yeah, the ratings, the viewers, and even the live streamers, it's entirely different. The stats will not lie.
Parang mas maraming nanonood ng UAAP lalo na pag of course Ateneo Lasal kaysa sa PBA ngayon. Totoo ba yan?
Kasi
may nagsabi sa akin.
kasi college teams, Pao, remember, hindi naman sila they play just for money. Although syempre may mga schools na nagbibigay something, pero talagang todo bigay sa maglaro. Kasi of course the body of a college player, it's a go type of thing as compared to a professional player. They want to just set it up, they just want to make system work.
Yeah,
So
but
iba
sikat
talaga.
yung mga to. Sikat yung PBA eh. At saka magaling din naman sa college to mga to eh. Yun ang sana ma-figure out ng PBA how to be able to, to drag yung mga college fans to the professional league.
Marketing is
and
the
what.
key. Yun ang problema rin na kailangan na i-overhaul ng PBA yung marketing. Because if they have a good marketing team, then PBA will be at par. They will have viewers and they will have the viewership that they need to have enough revenues
Yun.
not only locally but also internationally.
Speaking of marketing, ito si Doc Michael Rico Messina.
Doc!
Shout out. Napa-basketball topic ako. Buti na lang may sumalo sa akin dito si Ryan.
Sure, no
Maraming
problem.
alam
It's my pleasure.
Maraming alam sa basketball. Pasensya ka na rin, Doc. Di ako nagko-cover ngayon ng PBA. Alam mo, pag may time tayo, personal ko na lang sasabihin sa iyo kung ano dahilan ko at kung ano nangyari. Ayun pala yung mangyayari UAAP, NCAA. Ako, ang inaabang ako kasi mas yung NBA kaso medyo matagal-tagal pa yung NBA. Ilang buwan pa.
Yeah, that will be in October pa.
Ilang buwan pa at marami-rami pang iintayin. So, yun. Wala na pala tayong masyadong pag-uusapan. Wala masyadong chismis eh.
Wala. It's, kumbaga, medyo lal pa yung basketball internationally. But come September and October, then we will have that.
Yun, mas marami tayong resources. Pero may tatanong ako sa'yo. Baka pwede mo sabihin sa akin. Kasi meron akong kakilala ng agent din. Nag-comment, meron daw isang team na hindi nagbabayad ng player. Napakita mo yun?